On last turn, we have studied the property of a triangle, that is the sum of all the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Now, on the basis of this property, we will solve some of the questions. First type of question is two angles of a triangle ABC are 45 degree and 60 degree. We have to find the third angle. Now we know that in a triangle all the sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So we can write that angle A plus angle B plus angle C will be equals to 180 degree. Now angle A is 45 degree plus 60 degree plus angle C, which we have to find, is equals to 180 degree. Now 45 plus 65 will be 105 degree plus angle C is equals to 180 degree. Now since 105 is getting added to angle C, so if we take 105 on the other side of the equation, it will get subtracted from 180 degree. So angle C will be equals to 75 degree. In this question, we are given the two angles, that is one angle is 45 degree and another angle is 60 degree, and we have to find the third angle. So we know this angle sum property, we have applied this property and to find the third angle. Next type of question is if each of the equal angle B and C of an isosceles triangle ABC is 30 degree, then we have to find angle A. Since the triangle is isosceles, therefore both the angles B and C will be equal, and we have to find the third angle, angle A. And this, the most important part is that we have to understand, since the triangle is isosceles, so the two angles B and C both are equal and both will measure equals, measure of both the angles will be 30 degree. So we know that angle A plus angle B plus angle C, that is the sum of all the three angles of a triangle, is 180 degree, and we have to find angle A. So let us write it as it is. Angle B we know this 30 degree and angle C is also 30 degree. Since the triangle is isosceles, it will be equals to 180 degree. Now angle A plus 30 is 60 degree, it is equals to 180 degree. So angle A will be equals to 180 degree minus 60 degree, which will be equals to 120 degree. Another type of question is the angles of a triangle are in the ratio 2:3:4, and we have to determine the three angles. Now since the angles of the triangle are in ratio 2:3:4, this means the angles of the triangle are 2x, 3x and 4x. Here x is the common number which would have got cancelled while finding the ratio. So to solve this type of question, we can say let the three angles be 2x, 3x and 4x. Now we know that the sum of all the angles of a triangle is equals to 180 degree. So again we will apply this property, that is 2x plus 3x plus 4x is equals to 180 degree. Now total sum of this will be 9x is equals to 180 degree. So x will be equals to 180 degree by 9, that will be equals to 20 degree. Now the measure of each angle will be angle B will be equals to 2x, that is 2 into 20 degree, that will be equals to 40 degree. Angle A will be equals to 3x, that will be equals to 3 into 20, therefore 60 degree. Third angle, angle C will be equals to 4x, 4 into 20, therefore it will be equals to 80 degree. Another question, A, B, C and D is a quadrilateral and we have to find the sum of all these angles. To find the sum of all these angles, let us divide this quadrilateral into two triangles and let us name them as angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4, angle 5 and angle 6. Now in triangle ABC, angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equals to 180 degree by the angle sum property. Also in triangle ADC, angle 4 plus angle 6 plus angle 5 is equals to 180 degree by the angle sum property. Now on adding equation 1 and 2, we get angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4 plus angle 5 plus angle 6 is equals to 180 degree plus 180 degree. Now this will be equals to 360 degree, and here on the right hand side we can see that angle 1 plus angle 4 is equals to angle A, angle 2 is angle B, and angle 3 plus angle 5 is angle C, and the angle 6 is equals to angle D. So we can say that angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D is equals to 360 degree.